This is the Cheeseburger Kid, a luchador known for his agility, daring aerial maneuvers, and unwavering passion. Has been part of some unforgettable matches, which has cemented him as one of my favorite wrestlers in Singapore Pro Wrestling, or SPW. A group of us got to experience an epic, captivating SPW spectacle that combined athleticism, theatrics, and storytelling. With its intense rivalries, it offered thrilling entertainment. This got me thinking, what if a group of students decided to create their own wrestling entertainment event? Okay, hear me out. If safety and student well-being was the #1 priority, I think this would be the ultimate project-based transdisciplinary learning experience. One of my favorite things to do is make learning experiences that I design as authentic as possible through project-based learning. One activity that helps me hone in the skill is to examine real-world projects outside of education and examine how project-based learning design elements are embedded in them, as well as how knowledge and skills from multiple subject areas are applied in meaningful ways to produce a real-world outcome, like an epic wrestling entertainment event. Imagine creating an epic wrestling event from scratch. From logistics and marketing to choreography and stage design, the project demands creativity, planning, critical thinking, and the application of knowledge and skills from multiple subject areas. It all starts with a challenging question. How might we produce a wrestling entertainment event for the community? This has a central focus that is engaging and meaningful to students, motivating them to engage in sustained inquiry. This question could lead to multiple inquiry questions like, how do we develop a unique concept or theme for the event? How do we create main storylines with rivalries? Who are the characters of the storyline? What matches will need to take place to carry out the story? How might we develop engaging and safe choreography? How might we develop a budget to implement an event like this? What production and technical aspects do we need to consider? What is the desired lighting design for the event? What music and sound effects will be used? To complete this endeavor, students would need to embark on sustained inquiry. This active process is ongoing. Seeking information and investigating a problem or question often involves iterative questioning, resource gathering, and deeper exploration, all in different subject areas. In language arts, students can develop storylines and scripts, as well as promotional materials, while participating in training that addresses the unique demands of wrestling, including techniques, conditioning, and strategies in the physical education class. This training complements the physics being learned in science class, particularly the physics of wrestling moves and injuries. In performing arts class, students can gain the understanding of nuances of live performance and create choreography that consists of captivating and entertaining showmanship. In music and art classes, students can design costumes, sets, and promotional materials, as well as selecting or creating appropriate music for the desired tone of the event. In technology class, students can learn how to manage sound systems, lighting, and cameras to create dramatic entrances and matches, as well as creating and editing videos, graphics, and social media content. Students can also learn about economic decision-making and social studies. In our context, using economic reasoning to make informed decisions about various aspects of the event. And with the skills they gain from the math class, work on financial planning, like budget, revenue, and cost management. This wrestling event integrates the perspectives of multiple disciplines in order to connect new knowledge and deeper understanding to real-life experiences, which is transdisciplinary learning. This project's authenticity shows how their learning can be relevant to a real-world experience and their interests, where students are solving problems and using real-world processes and tools that professionals are engaged in. Throughout this project, there is student ownership, since they have input on aspects like questions they ask and answer, the resources they use, the roles that they need to take, and the final product, the wrestling event itself. The public product raises the stakes for students, encouraging higher quality work, and creates a social dimension of learning by sharing their learning publicly. Hope you enjoyed this video. This exercise of taking real-world projects and examining the PBL elements within them, as well as identifying the knowledge and skills that are applied from multiple subject areas, can really help us as educators see the practical applications of academic skills and content standards. as well as give us a perspective or a lens that is ideal for designing more authentic learning experiences for our students. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, stay perpetually in beta, and I'll see you on the next one.